Hello everyone, welcome to Medtuba. In this video, we will be learning radiology system-wise important named signs. We will be dealing with bone radiology, chest, gastrointestinal tract, genitourinary tract, nephrology and neurology, respiratory and cardiovascular system. Well, first we will see bone imaging. Fish mouth vertebra or codfish vertebra are seen in homocystinuria and sickle cell anemia. Ivory vertebra sign is seen in Paget's disease. Inverted Napoleon hat sign is seen in spondylolisthesis. Picture frame vertebra, cotton wool appearance, osteoporosis circumscripta are seen in Paget's disease. Rugged jersey spine is seen in secondary hyperparathyroidism of chronic renal failure. Differential diagnosis of rugged jersey spine or osteopetrosis and Paget's disease. Scottish dog sign is seen in spondylolysis. Vertebra plana is seen in eosinophilic granuloma. Repeated anterior shoulder dislocation is associated with Bankard's lesion. Anterior shoulder dislocation is Hill-Sachs lesion. In this, there is conical depression in posterior lateral head of humerus. Pinbock tumor shows driven snow appearance. It is a lytic lesion having small calcification within it, commonly seen in posterior mandible. Adamantinoma has honeycomb appearance. It has cortical lucencies with intervening sclerosis. Ewing's sarcoma, spell it as Ewing's O sarcoma, so you can remember easily. O means onion peel appearance. Osteosarcoma has Sunday appearance and Codman's triangle. Osteoclastoma has soap bubble appearance. Osteoclastoma is also known as Jane cell tumor. Chondrosarcoma has speckled or mottled calcification. Then coming to chest radiology, tetralogy of Fallot, which has ventricular septal defect, pulmonary stenosis, overriding of aorta, left ventricular hypertrophy, has boot-shaped heart. Epstein anomaly has box-shaped heart. Mitral stenosis has double cardiac shadow. Transposition of great arteries has egg-on string or egg-on side appearance. Coarctation of aorta has figure of 3 sign or reverse figure of 3 sign. Mitral stenosis will see inverted moustache sign. Severe pulmonary hypertension, jack handle appearance is seen. This is due to grossly dilated main and right pulmonary artery. Atrial septal defect shows hilar dance appearance due to pulmonary plethora. It is on fluoroscopic examination. Total anomalous pulmonary venous return TAPVC shows Neumann sign. Partial anomalous pulmonary venous return PAPVC shows Schmidt's sign. Pericardial effusion shows water bottle or flask-shaped heart. Now we'll see gastrointestinal tract. Achalasia cardia shows bird beak appearance on barium meal. This is due to absent fungal gas shadow, important plain radiographic finding. Diffuse esophageal spasm shows corkscrew appearance on barium meal. This is due to high amplitude intermittent esophageal contractions. It is diagnosed by manometry. Hypertrophic pyloric stenosis have beak sign, double track or tram track sign, antral nipple sign and string sign. These 4 signs are very important. Lad band and or malrotation of annular pancreas and duodenal atresia shows double bubble sign. Jejunal obstruction shows triple bubble sign on CT and it is most sensitive. Midgut valvulus or cecal valvulus shows whirlpool sign in USG. Sigmoid volvulus shows coffee bean sign. This is due to sigmoid colon gets dilated when it gets twisted at the root of its mesocolon. Ileocecal TB has pulled up cecum, ileocecal angle and ileocecal wall. It shows gooseneck deformity, Fleischner's sign and Sterling sign. These 3 signs are important for ileocecal TB. Next, coming to Crohn's disease, string sign of Cantor is important, cobblestone appearance, target lesion or bullseye lesion, Combs sign. These are all important for Crohn's disease. Coming to ulcerative colitis, we'll see pipe stem appearance or lead pipe appearance with pseudopolyps. Ischemic colitis shows thumbprint appearance. Pseudomembranous colitis shows accordion sign. Diverticulum of colon shows sawtooth appearance on barium enema and apple core lesion in barium enema. Intersusception has claw sign, coil spring sign, meniscus sign, pincer sign and target signs. These signs of intersusception are important. Meconium ileus has bubbly, frothy, soap bubble appearance. Cholithiasis shows seagull, Mercedes-Benz sign and crowfoot sign. These are all important. Coming to genitourinary tract, hydronephrosis has rim nephrogram which shows soap bubble appearance. Polycystic kidney shows spider leg appearance and Swiss cheese nephrogram. Autosomal recessive polycystic kidney shows sunburst nephrogram. Horseshoe kidney shows flower vase appearance of ureter. Genitourinary TB shows putty kidney, moth-eaten calyces and phantom calyx. Genitourinary TB shows sawtooth appearance, pipe stem ureter and corkscrew beaded ureter. Tubercular cystitis shows corkscrew of beaded ureter and timble bladder is important. Duplicated collecting system or duplex kidney shows drooping lily sign. Ureterocele shows cobra head sign. Papillary necrosis shows egg in cup appearance. Then coming to neurology, banana sign is seen in Chiari-2 malformation and spina bifida. It is seen in antenatal USG. It is due to small posterior fossa with compression and anterior curving of cerebellum. Bat wing appearance of the lateral ventricle is seen in agenesis of corpus callosum. This is due to widely separated and parallel oriented lateral ventricles. It is seen in antenatal USG, CT, MRI. Bat wing fourth ventricle. It is seen in Joubert syndrome. This is due to shape of fourth ventricle due to absent vermis. Caput medusa is seen in venous angioma, seen in angiography. Clover leaf skull is seen in thanatophoric dysplasia. It is due to intrauterine premature closure of sutures. Dorsal fingers are seen in MRI of multiple sclerosis skull. Due to ovoid lesions perpendicular to lateral ventricle. Dense MCA sign. It is important sign that is seen in CT in acute infarct. It is due to intraluminal thrombus appearing hyperdense. Dural tail sign is seen in MRI in meningioma. It is due to reactive dural thickening extending as tail from the mass lesion. Empty delta sign is seen in dural venous thrombosis. Eye of tiger sign is seen in MRI in Haller-Warden's disease. Figure of 8 appearance in MRI seen in Pachygyria lysencephalus. Due to few poorly formed broadened gyri. Lemon sign is seen in antenatal USG in spina bifida and Chiari malformation. Molar tooth sign is seen in Joubert syndrome. This is due to small brainstem with enlarged superior cerebellar peduncles. Strawberry skull in antenatal USG is seen in trisomy 18, that is Edwards syndrome. It is due to brachycephaly with flattened occiput. Tram-track sign is seen in CT in Sturge-Weber syndrome, optic nerve sheath meningioma. Then coming to nephrology and urology, Beer-Paah sign is seen in xanthogranulomatous pyelonephrosis. It is due to contracted renal pelvis with dilated calyces. Keyhole sign in antenatal USG is seen in posterior urethral valve. It is due to dilated bladder and proximal urethra appears as a keyhole. Lobster claw sign is seen in papillary necrosis. Put a kidney on X-ray is seen in renal tuberculosis, as we have seen already. String of beads are seen in fibromuscular dysplasia. It is due to multiple stenosis in renal artery. It is seen in angiography. Coming to respiratory and cardiovascular system, air crescent sign or Monod sign is seen on X-ray and CT, seen in aspergillosis. It is due to crescent of air surrounding a nodule in a lung cavity. Bat wing appearance on X-ray is seen in pulmonary edema. This is due to bilateral perihilar opacities. Bunch of grapes is seen in bronchiectasis. Comet tail sign on CT is seen in round atelectasis. Continuous diaphragm sign is seen in pneumomediastinum. It is due to air between the heart and diaphragm, and thus diaphragm is seen continuously. Crazy pavement sign is seen on HRCT in alveolar proteinosis. It is due to reticular pattern with ground glass opacity. CT angiogram sign seen in bronchoalveolar carcinoma. It is due to enhancing branching pulmonary vessels within the area of consolidation. Deep sulcus sign is seen in pneumothorax. It is due to abdominally deep costophrenic sulcus. Egg on string sign seen in transposition of great arteries. Figure of 3 sign or E sign is seen in coarctation of aorta. Finger in a glove sign is seen in bronchopulmonary aspergillosis. This is very important. It is due to mucus plug dilated bronchi. Golden S sign on X-ray and CT is seen in bronchogenic carcinoma. It is due to it is seen in right upper lobe at atelectasis due to an obstructing central mass. Halo sign is on HRCT is seen in aspergillosis. It is due to ground glass attenuation surrounding a pulmonary nodule. Hampton's hump on X-ray is seen in pulmonary embolism. Lufsichel sign on X-ray is seen in left upper lobe collapse. It is due to hyperinflated superior segment of lower lobe interposing between the collapsed. Reverse halo sign and HRCT is seen in cryptogenic organizing pneumonia and invasive aspergillosis. Signet ring sign is seen in bronchiectasis. Snowman appearance is seen in TAPVC, total anomalous pulmonary venous return. Spinnaker sail sign is seen in pneumomediastinum due to elevation of thymus by aid. Split pleura sign and CT is seen in empyema. It is due to enhancing parietal and visceral pleura with passing between them. Steeple sign and subglottic inverted V sign on X-ray is seen in acute laryngotracheobronchitis, or known as croup. It is due to narrowing of subglottic tracheal lumen. Thumb sign on lateral X-ray neck is seen in epiglottitis. It is due to enlarged edematous epiglottis. Tree in bud sign and HRCT is seen in endobronchial TB. Water lily sign on X-ray is seen in hydatid cyst of lung. Westermarck sign is seen in pulmonary embolism. Yin-yang sign seen in pseudoaneurysm due to bidirectional flow due to swelling of flow. Coming to gastrointestinal system, accordion sign on CT is seen in pseudomembranous colitis. Apple core sign, it is seen in colorectal carcinoma. It is due to circumferential narrowing of the colonic lumen. It is seen on barium enema. Karman meniscus sign seen on barium meal. It is seen in malignant gastric ulcer. It's very important MCQ. Central dot sign on contrast CT is seen in Caroli's disease. Cobblestone appearance on barium study is seen in Crohn's disease. Colon cutoff sign is seen in acute pancreatitis. This is due to abrupt cutoff of the colon gasteroid with the splenic flexure. Cockcrow sign is seen on barium meal, seen in midgut volvulus. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to MedTuber and don't forget to click the bell icon for future video notifications. Thank you.